I came across a man from Mount Isa just the other day. He was sort of feeling down, as if perhaps he was losing his way. He wailed, connecting with other people was a real struggle, and getting his message to stick, now that was just recurring trouble. He said it happens in business. I'm losing much needed deals. And with the kids to get things done, I have to promise them happy meals. And at the pub, I feel like a ghost with laryngitis. No one listens to me, and even the dog ignores my commands unless it ends with his tea. He said, I want to understand how to connect with all of the above. I want my message memorable and in business and with those that I love. I want it to be succinct, not sidetracking down into bottomless rabbit holes. And be a great ambassador in my community, business and family roles. Now this man from Mount Isa asks, David, what do you do? I create confident communicators quickly. The perfect solution for you. In an instant, his whole persona changed. What do I do? Where do I start? The joy of a simple, practical solution on the horizon saw a change of heart. Come down to the Overlander Hotel, Marion Street, on Friday the 31st of July. From 8:45 to 4 p.m. of interactive learning. It's something you must try. To kick it off, we'll go to work and dispel any anxiety-building speaking fears and create a memorable presentation in minutes. Not what used to seem like years. You'll learn how to be tactful but powerful when change must be created, and how to motivate and inspire individuals or group so they will be elated. Your presentations will connect like glue and hold your energized audience in raptures. Weeks later, they will recall your carefully crafted key points, memorable captures. Stilted speeches that brought fear will be replaced with relaxed, engaging presentations. Handling press reporters or job interviewers will be just talking to the relations. For those with a career, hold on tight. With your new skill, it is sure to be accelerated. With your clear, concise communication skills, expect those around you to be elated. So if you are that man or lady with a mission from Mount Isa Way, clear out your diary and invest in your most valuable asset, yourself. It only takes one day. Book in on Eventbrite or on the website www.confidenceunlimited.com.au right now. And if you bring 3 mates along with an early bird discounts, the savings are quite wow.